All right, guys, here's another review from our website, stripwell.com. Check out the reviews whenever you get a chance. But here's one we're going to unpack together. It says, 5 stars, worked great. I do have to learn to practice patience. The longer you let it sit, the better it works for sure. It cleaned 2 MCM chairs, that's mid-century modern, and restored the natural beauty of the wood, not smelly or skin irritating. That is one thing about QCS that's awesome, is it'll remove the coating that's on the furniture, but it'll preserve that patina and the color if you're trying to restore that. If you're not, hey, throw some 80 grit on an orbital and go to town. But that is not the best approach if you're trying to restore something, because you're going to burn through all that old color, possibly veneer also. If you're dealing with a veneered piece, you want to be careful of that as well. But QCS will preserve that color and help you to have a jump start in the finishing process to match kind of that natural beauty that you're going for, that you want to mimic again. So that's a big plus. The fact that it's not smelly or skin irritating, who wants that? I mean, really, who wants to have irritated skin and smell? We do say that QCS products are not odorless, but they're not dangerous, and that's a big difference. So if you smell something, don't be afraid, because it's not a harmful odor versus, some people say it's odorless. It's not odorless, but it's not dangerous. So visit our website, check out the reviews, and pick up your QCS today.